In this video, I want to answer the question, what is a project checklist? A project checklist is a simple thing. It sets out how to do a task as a series of steps. And to be worthwhile, that series of steps must be complete. There must be nothing missed out. Also, the level of detail of the steps, how small they are, must be well suited to the people who are going to carry out the steps, in particular to their experience and capabilities. Clearly, the more experience or capability people have, then the larger the steps can be, leaving more of the detail to their own experience. For less experienced people, you need smaller, more detailed steps, so there's less for them to figure out as they work their way through the checklist. Checklists get their name because as we work through the steps, we check them off or tick them off as we go through so that we mark each step as complete. Therefore, checklists do two things. First, they make sure we don't miss out a step, and secondly, by checking off steps as we go, they make sure we don't repeat a step. Checklists prevent costly mistakes, so consequently they're most often used in safety critical environments like emergency rooms or operating theatres, in heavy industry or air transport or the military, for example, anywhere where a mistake can have serious consequences, and therefore project managers also use checklists to make our processes both easier and more consistent. It's also worth noting that checklists are a great antidote to ignorance or uncertainty, or even complacency. When one surgeon and his team developed a 2-minute checklist that covered some of the basics of surgery and good teamwork, and then they tested it out in 8 different hospitals, the results were stunning. There was a 35% decline in deaths and complications related to surgery. Using checklists for routine tasks makes complete sense. They allow you to act quickly and confidently, and at the same time prevent omissions and errors and all the problems that arise from being in a rush or being complacent. The more complex or critical a situation is, the more value a checklist has in guiding you through the correct process, making sure that you do everything right and miss nothing out. For project managers, checklists are a vital part of your toolkit.